Mga, oh, oh, ta- tawagin lang si Papa Yato man sa silong, gaduwa siya, dula, uban siya, kauban sa barko. Ah, kita ito, bye, Kit. Bye, Tito. Bye. Hi, Sophia. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, so wait me ha. Teacher will going to share this one. Okay, so we have here the activity. Okay. So this one, Sophia, please double check. So elementary unit 2 school days. So let us have writing activity today. So we have concert. It's a public performance. And then musical. It's connected with music, containing music. Play. A piece of writing performed by actors in a theater or on a television or radio. Students go to place away from school often to do outdoor activities, an organization for people who share interests, to share an interest, or do a sport or activity together. Sports Day, it's a special day at school when there are no classes and students compete in sports events. Another one. So we have here imperative. Okay, we use imperative. What do you mean by imperative? It means you have to give order and instructions and to make requests. We form affirmative with infinitive form of the verb without to. Example, be quiet. Write the answer in your notebook. Please sit down. We form negative imperative which don't and the infinitive form of the verb without to. Example, don't be silly. Please don't interrupt. Okay, that's negative imperative. So although it is a form of instructions, you give order, but then you have to do it negative. There is none. Okay? So letter C, we use imperative to give commands and instruction like you will do. Sophia, you visit the library. You visit the websites. That's giving command and instruction. Sophia, don't forget your mom's birthday. Okay, that is example of imperative. Okay, so this the one I give you, these are imperative. Okay, first, affirmative with infinitive form of the verb. Be quiet. Be quiet. Sit down. Drink water. That's imperative. You give order. So negative, you will say no. Don't be silly. Don't go there. Don't sit down. Don't drink water. Okay, that's imperative. That's negative imperative. So, but when you say, Sophia, like, we use imperative to give commands and instruction like, okay, go to the library. Please visit my friend. Okay, that's imperative. Okay, so we have here, match the photo with one of the events below. Is it a good way to raise money? Do you think? Okay, what do you think? What school event do you think is this? Can you explain it to me?
Mm, Finish.
Okay, so they are having a musical because I can see they're singing. They are having a musical play because I can see they are singing. Okay, it could be very good, Sophia. A musical. A musical is a good way, actually, Sophia, to raise money. Okay, so in doing this, you can raise money. So look at this one, okay? Please, Sophia, try to read the announcement. We have two announcements. We have cats and the judo club. Okay. So what you are going to do, please match each event with event from task one. Then check the meaning of all events, especially example, what event is this? What event is this? You can choose from school events. Okay.
Okay.
I am honestly feel more than I am. Than it is more than I am.
Finish.
Okay, so which do you think is concert and school club? Let me see. It's about musical concert. It is actually about musical concert. And the other one we have, okay, judo club. Okay, it's school club. Very good. Okay. So please try to please try to check the two announcements and please try to find 9 example of imperative. You underline. Please underline the 9 example of imperative. Imperative, you know this already, right? Like go to the church. Okay. Help us raise like that. Okay. Underline the 9 imperative.
Finish.
Okay. So we have here, let me see, where are those? Where are your answers? Please underline. Teacher cannot see. Okay, come to our musical. Very good. What else? Okay, this one. Come and see us dance. Okay, those are imperative. Another. Come and hear us sing. Please bring a friend. Oh, buy your tickets. Come to judo club. Don't worry. That's already imperative. Okay, call Sarah. That's imperative. Very short. Okay, so you understand? Sophia, you understand, Sophia? You understand? Okay, very good. Okay, so here, Sophia, please complete the sentences with the verbs below. Use affirmative or negative imperative. Okay, go. Right here, huh?
I'm finished.
So we have here first, don't forget to tell your friends and family. Second, put it in your diary, diary so that you don't forget. Three, oh, call Dean Richard. Yay. Oh, very good, Sophia. Visit our website and don't miss this event. Okay, and last one, bring a friend. Oh, very good. Okay, Anderson, Sophia, the one you did, Sophia, are all imperative. Okay, remember that one. Okay, this one. So we have here completing imperative with verbs. Use affirmative or negative. So you can use affirmative, imperative, or negative. Okay, please choose your answer from the yellow box. Go.
I'm finished.
Okay, so we have here, don't eat the cake. Share it with your brother. Okay, stop talking. Very good. Let's see film tomorrow evening. Okay, meet me at the cinema at 6. Don't be late. Don't have. Okay, put your hand if you know the answer. Okay, don't swim in that river. It's dangerous. It's negative. Do not swim in the river because it's dangerous. It's cold outside. Please don't open the window. Okay? So if you think it's negative, Sophia, you have to use negative. You have to use not. Okay? So here's Sophia. Read and tasks. Make notes with the questions below. To help you, you are organizing an event at school. Example, ha, you have event in school, like you have sports event. Write an announcement to publicize. It means so that people will know that there is an event in school and encourage people to attend. Okay? So please give the information below. What event? Example, sports event. Where? School. What the day, time? Or you will write here. Example only, ha? You make your own event. Example, sports event. Okay, musical event. Or you choose your event in school. And write here the informations. Okay, Sophia? Okay, go.
Unfinished. Second can say
Okay.
question 3.
Oh,
Five.
date, day, and time. Just give me example. Example only. Just example, March 31, 2024. Example only. You write your own example. Okay, example only.
My,
You make your own event. Make
my answer.
Oh yeah, you make date, day, and time. Example, December 25, 2025. Or you will write your example only. Okay, based on here. What is the purpose of event? Or uh why do you have this organizing event? Why? What will happen? Oh, we will gonna dance, singing, all like that.
Mhm.